What were your dreams as a kid?
To be a teacher.
Really? For real?
Yeah, I swear. And I hate it when I have to say it because it's true.
So,
like literally, like I remember like putting my dolls up, like they're in the seating charts and like giving them name tags. Like I remember one Christmas, my parents, my mother and my grandparents. When I say parents, I'm embodying those three.
Mm-hmm.
But my parents bought me a whiteboard. You couldn't tell me nothing. You couldn't tell me nothing with that whiteboard.
Okay.
And that was a thing at the time. Whiteboards, at that time, it was a thing.
100%.
It was going. So
Yeah, because it was chalkboards for real. Yeah,
so the whiteboard was different.
Yeah.
But yeah, I've always wanted to be a teacher, and I feel like that comes like twofold. Like I always knew what I wanted to do, and like what God placed on me. But I will say, I never had a lot of rebuttal to that because I didn't really get a lot of other options.
Yeah.
So it was kind of just like, it's like either that or a doctor. So,